GeekVape strikes again with the Zeus Dual RTA. I haven't been this excited about a tank for a long time. Let me tell you why. The Zeus RTA has 3D airflow, meaning that your inhale starts at the top, goes down into the chamber to the base of the tank, where it goes back up around your coils through the chimney to deliver a dense and flavorful vape with every drop. It sounds simple, but when I compared it to other top airflow tanks, this quickly took the top spot. It's that good. Did you get it? Top spot. The deck is postless and fits single or dual coil builds. I personally love the single build, and with the airflow designed the way it is, leaking is at a minimum. The tank is stainless steel and shiny, but not so shiny that it would blind a bird flying through Zeus's clouds. It isn't striking. Puns! I have them! I will say, instead of spitback, I got more than I'd like in condensation inside the drip tip. I find myself drying it out more often than other RTAs, but that's a small inconvenience compared to the taste and cloud I get with this RTA. I highly recommend it for the builder in you. Hey, did you know that Zeus is also Jupiter, depending on your mythology? Like, wait, what? You did? Okay, well, alright, I just learned that.
Hey, seems you got through the video. That is awesome. Because of that, you should probably click that subscribe button over there. Promise you there's more videos to come, and they're always awesome. Speaking of which, click on the one over here. I guarantee you it is smooth as silk. And cut.